you tell us your name? Okay.
Keanu.
What would you like to do when you grow up as a career?
I want to be a music producer and save the moon from exploding.
What are you doing in high school to prepare for that?
Doing my homework, making sure all my grades are on point, making music, and saving people.
Cool. Are you planning on attending any college or school after this?
Yeah, I'm going to music school downtown after recording, radio, and film connection. Then after that, I'm going to join the Justice League because, you know, me and Superman and Batman, Manhunter and Flash, you know, we all hang out on
Fighting crime.
Cool.
Fighting crime.
I know Batman.
Yeah,
personally.
me and
He's
Batman,
pretty cool.
we're good friends.
Yeah. You like Spider-Man?
He's cool. Yeah, he's real cool. I met him a couple weeks ago at the Grammys. It was nice.
So if you wanted to be like a superhero or Batman, but you had so much work to do, what would you do?
Probably do my work first. But then again, there's lots of criminals out there, so I'd probably do both at the same time. I'm a superhero. I can do it.
Cool. So you're saying you could do everything? No excuses?
Crime!